The Amazon jungle, often referred to as the Amazon rainforest, is one of the most wondrous and vital ecosystems on the planet. Spanning approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, it stretches across 9 countries in South America, with the majority of its expanse lying within Brazil. This vast rainforest is not only a sanctuary for an incredible diversity of wildlife, but also a critical component of the Earth's ecological balance. ###Origins and formation. The story of the Amazon jungle begins millions of years ago, during the time when South America was part of the supercontinent Gondwana. As the landmasses drifted apart, the basin that would become the Amazon was shaped by geological processes and climatic changes. The Andes Mountains, formed around 65 million years ago, played a crucial role in redirecting the flow of rivers and establishing the Amazon River's course, which now traverses the continent from west to east, emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. #Biodiversity and ecology. The Amazon rainforest is renowned for its unparalleled biodiversity. It is home to about 390 billion individual trees, representing 16,000 species, and countless other plant species. The dense canopy, understory, and forest floor host a myriad of animal species, including jaguars, sloths, piranhas, and myriad bird and insect species. The interdependence of these species creates a complex web of life that sustains the rainforest's health and resilience. #Indigenous peoples. Long before the arrival of Europeans, the Amazon was inhabited by indigenous peoples who developed complex societies with intricate knowledge of the forest. Tribes such as the Yanomami, Kayapo, and Ashaninka have lived in harmony with the rainforest, utilizing its resources sustainably. Their cultures, languages, and traditions are deeply intertwined with the jungle, and their stewardship has been vital in maintaining its ecological integrity. #European exploration and exploitation. The 16th century marked the beginning of European exploration in the Amazon. Spanish explorer Francisco de Orellana is credited with being the first European to navigate the entire length of the Amazon River in 1542. His journey opened the door for further expeditions and eventually led to waves of exploitation. The rubber boom in the late 19th and early 20th centuries brought significant economic activity to the region, but also caused tremendous suffering for indigenous communities and widespread environmental degradation. #Modern threats and conservation. In the contemporary era, the Amazon faces unprecedented threats from deforestation, mining, agriculture, and climate change. Large swathes of the rainforest have been cleared for cattle ranching, soybean farming, and logging, resulting in habitat loss and declining biodiversity. The Amazon also acts as a critical carbon sink, and its destruction accelerates global warming. Despite these challenges, there are concerted efforts to protect and preserve the Amazon. Governments, NGOs, and indigenous groups are working together to establish protected areas, promote sustainable land use practices, and restore degraded landscapes. The international community increasingly recognizes the importance of the Amazon for global ecological stability, leading to various conservation initiatives and funding. #The future of the Amazon. The future of the Amazon jungle hinges on the actions taken today. Efforts to curb deforestation, enforce environmental regulations, and support sustainable development are crucial. Additionally, empowering indigenous peoples to continue their role as guardians of the forest is essential for its preservation. The Amazon's fate is a global concern, as its health is intrinsically linked to the well-being of the entire planet. The story of the Amazon jungle is one of immense natural beauty and profound ecological significance. It is a living testament to the richness of life on Earth and a reminder of our collective responsibility to protect and cherish the natural world.